Good morning to all my friends. Welcome to trekgurublogger.com. So today I will show you how to move my domain to another GoDaddy account. So let's start. So first of all we need to log on into your GoDaddy account domain controller with the help of username and password. And I'll just show you. I have just logged on in my domain center, and after that checkbox in the next domain want to move another account and click check icon, then first menu above your domain ownership, then move the GoDaddy account. I will just show you how to do the things. I will just move to my this domain to another GoDaddy account. Then first of all I'll just select the domain name, then go to ownership, then move to other GoDaddy account. So this is the form where I need to fill up the email account where we just want to send our domain. So this is the account holder email ID. So first we'll just copy the email ID and re-enter email ID. So in this place we can just enter the customer ID. So customer ID and email ID should be match. So it's optional, we can just leave it as it is. In the second, do you want to copy the current domain contact information to the new account? If you want to copy the current information, then you can select. If you don't want, then you can select no. So in this case, if you will select yes, then the need approval from the domain owner. So we'll just show you transfer now. The transfer is in domain. Okay, so let me show you the things. So we'll go in a pending account changes. So we can see which things are pending here. So to another GoDaddy, so you can see Kundali Cyprus account changes in progress. So now let us check the email account. So we can see here we have just received a mail from GoDaddy account. So just click on that and just activate. Action needed. We receive a request from Kundli Cyprus, blah blah blah. Yes, I accept this transfer. Click on that. So it will take some time. We can put the new information here, right? So if you want to put new information, then we can, otherwise we can just right. We can put it later on. So we can see the information here. So next, so complete this task. Review the contact information route, then okay. After that we will go in our account and check the pending account changes. accept and accept the transfer. Now we will fill up the information here. So it's almost done. It's being, we'll just understand the services, begin transfer. So we need to approve the same. Just check. We are going to approve the domain transfer. Let me check it again. Wait a minute. Some issues. So now we'll just approve, and yes, we'll update the contact information. It has been submitted and can take up 5 days to display, right? So now you can see the domain has been transferred in a new account, like kundlicyprus.com. Thank you very much for your adorance. Thank you.